Okay, so this is the second part of this video that I looked over Nearpod and what you guys are having trouble with. A lot of you guys get these. These aren't really an issue. You guys know that you see a positive 3, so you subtract 3 on both sides, and you have x is greater than 7. Okay, I know Jasmine was confused by this. You see how your sign does not change. You're not doing anything. You're doing the same thing that you did with one-step equations. You don't have to change nothing with this. I know Janira also had a problem with this. I'm naming you guys out because I just remembered you guys had issues with these. Okay, so there are difference with these two types of equations, okay? You see how this one is a positive 2 and this one is a negative 2. That is an important difference with inequalities, okay? The one that has a negative 2 is the one where your inequality sign will flip. Okay, let me show you why. So when you see a positive 2, right, you're dividing by a positive 2 on both sides, okay? Because this is a positive number, you do not need to flip your sign, okay? It stays the same. Because this one down here is a negative number, okay? You literally see that it has a negative sign. You need to flip your sign. It has to change. It goes from this to that, okay? And your answer is -5. That is the biggest difference. Does everybody understand that? When you divide by a positive number, nothing changes. When you divide by a negative number, your sign has to flip. Okay, you probably see a bunch of arrows now and you're confused even more. Let me do another question, okay? So if you have 3x is greater than 15, and then I have -3x is greater than 15. Which one am I changing? Am I changing this one or am I changing this one? Okay, I'm hoping you have enough time to answer this by now in your head, but we are not changing this one because we divided both sides by a positive number. The sign stays the same and x is greater than 5. We are changing this one because I'm dividing by a negative number because there's a negative in front of that 3. Okay, so x, you flip your sign over, is less than -5. Okay, I hope this clears up when you need to flip your signs. Okay, it's whenever you either multiply or divide by a negative number. It's not with adding or subtracting. It's literally multiplication or division by a negative sign. Okay, if you don't see that in there when you're dividing on both sides, you're not flipping. Okay.